Hey, I've never seen this area of the neighborhood before. Maybe I should explore it for a little while. Look at all those trees and plants. I guess it won't matter too much if I just look at it for a little while. The sunset today truly is beautiful. There's so many plants everywhere. Maybe I should put one in my hair. Look, there's another one. And another. Look, there's another one over here too. This gives me an idea. I love flower crowns. This place has so many things to do and see. Look at this stick. I could use it to do kung fu. Hiya! Hoo-ah-ya! Or I could use it to poke people with. Poke. This should come in handy someday. I love nature. I never want to leave.